Hey guys, welcome back. As you saw in the title, we got some pretty cool stuff happening today, I think personally. And sorry for the late upload today. This stuff was supposed to be here like last Wednesday, and it just showed up today, which is Monday. But let's get right into it, shall we? Today, we're going to be replacing this dingy, let me zoom out, and yeah, the lighting, right? Yeah, I don't know. I can never win. Anyways, we're going to be replacing this dingy top here on the computer. There we are. And cleaning it up, which is gross. And we're going to be replacing, like I said, that top with the ICT Billet dress up cover. And then we're going to be using the ICT Billet mounts that go on the side here to mount it all up. So, I can't wait for that. So, first, like I said, I'm going to clean up the computer. And check this out. I got a safety shield. For all you people that were worried about my safety, if any of you. And about my grinding and my cutting without safety glasses. I bought a safety shield. Small investment. So, anyways, we're going to get this done and give you guys an update on what's going on with the wiring. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so you can see, cleaned it up. Not 100% million zillion, but a heck of a lot better than it was. It was like that shit all over it. So that side's by the fuse block, you don't really see it, but this is the side you see. So it's the side I did a better job on. Anyways, let's get to opening this up, shall we? I don't have my knife, I left it at home. As you can see, my tool bag and stuff isn't here. That's because I took my tools home to reorganize everything to see where I'm at with my toolbox. Because since I moved, I haven't gone through it. So, anyways, I'm gonna cut these bags open and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got this first one here cut open. So let's, if I can do this one-handed, I might not be able to. Ooh, she's shiny. Yeah, I won't be able to do this one-handed. I'll be right back. There we go. Got everything unboxed. Actually, first we'll start with the brackets here. I'll put the part number right about here somewhere. And just the steel ICT billet mounts. This stuff didn't come in a box. Like I said, it came in a UPS or FedEx bag. So yeah, I got it from ICT Billet though. And not bad. These go like that, I believe. And this mounts to the truck. So yeah, we'll have to see how they work. Now this here is what I absolutely love. Oh, I got thumbprint. Let me put the part number, like I said, right there somewhere. And this is the ICT Billet dress up cover. Right. There's some numbers. I don't know if it will. Some numbers in there. It's like 551968-LS 11CV. I guess is what it says. But this goes right there. So, pretty cool. I'll be right back with everything together. And then we'll see how it'll fit, where it'll fit. And we'll talk about the wiring. Alright guys, there it is, all done. With the mounts on it. I'll show you guys how it's mounted up here, so you guys can see. Now, the hardest part was getting this top piece on. The original one, it's like slid down over. Let's see if I can show you on the back side of it here. Let's zoom in, come on, work. There. It slid down over here, and there's a rubber gasket in there. In a channel. The hardest part, well, of course the gasket's stretched from being 20 years old, right? Or how old? Well, almost 20 years old. Damn, yeah. So it was a bitch to put in. But we got it in. So now, let's see here. Ugh. That thing's pretty. I'm gonna end up taking that home until it's time to do this. Okay. I'll move that out of the way for now. Still fighting lighting issues, but that's only because it's like afternoon time. There. Okay. So now this is supposed to fit in here. Like so. Okay. Well, I already see an issue with clearance there. So we're going to have to put some spacers in it. And we're going to have to bring it up. Have to bring it up quite a bit. As you guys can see, it's resting on that there. Right there, it's resting. Maybe I can zoom in. Yeah. So we're going to have to put some spacers in it, which ain't a big deal. So I just wanted to see how it would look for now. So maybe bring this back this way some. Drill a hole there. There. Well, how is it for the fuse block? Am I going to interfere with it? I shouldn't. Should be right tucked beside it. Okay, so this has got to come up. Oh, I'd say, what do you guys think? How much more do you think it's got to come up? Probably another 2-3 inches at least, eh? And there's already, underneath my finger, probably about a good inch or two. So I need about 4 inches of spacers. So for that, let me finish. I hit the wrong button instead of hitting that one. For that, what I'm going to do is go to like one of the metal places around the city and get some aluminum like tube, like that's got a hole in it. It's like, you know, 1/2 inch around or 1 inch around, and cut it to length, and we'll mount it up. But yeah, for now, I think that's gonna look pretty good. It'll set off the under hood quite a bit. So no, the best part is it's super subtle. You know what I mean? Because everything else, it might be a real subtle touch. So, but like I said before, I do plan on showing this truck here and there. Yeah, don't mind that. That's next episode. That's the next video. Yeah, I plan on showing this truck, so those valve covers are pretty though, aren't they? Shame. Comment down below if you guys have any idea what I'm doing here. Why I have the coil packs and stuff off. So, yeah, I'd like to hear it. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Why I have the coil packs off, but I decided to put everything back together. Hey, kind of silly. That's how we do things. Anyway, but yeah, like I said, I do plan on showing this a little bit, this truck. So you never know. I might get some points for stuff like that, right? For presentation, fit and finish, presentation. That's kind of what we're going for on this, right? I want it to look like it's supposed to be there and dress up a bit, right? So, and now we'll discuss here quick what's going on with the wiring before we end today's video. I know it was just like a quick little one, but been waiting on these parts. Like I said, since, well, they should have been here last Wednesday, and they didn't show up till today, and it's Monday. So, yeah, anyways, with the wiring, I have not heard anything since, like, that Friday, a couple Fridays ago there. And this is week 4 right now. This is the 4th week that they've had it. So I'm really hoping that it was a misunderstanding. I'm very worried and sad and kind of turned off on their company at the fact that they never messaged me back after, you know, to clear up any misinformation, right? They never did at all. That's kind of poor customer service. So yeah, I'm going to message them here on Wednesday, and I might just end up going and getting the harness or whatever the heck's left of them. Pick them up, and then might have to buy 2 new ones and send them to somebody else. So, fingers crossed for me, folks. That's where we're standing at with that right now. Next video, like I said, we got something going on with the valve cover, coil pack area, something. If it shows up tomorrow. I'm giving it till Wednesday this week. Hopefully it shows up. So, you never know with FedEx, right? So, but with that, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I gotta get back home now before school's out to well, because my 9-year-old, and I still got the 3-year-old till tomorrow. So yeah, fingers crossed for me, folks, that it was just a misunderstanding, and I get, some good news. I really, really hope so. I could use some. I haven't slept in like 3.5 weeks. So, all right, guys. Till next time, take care of yourselves. God bless. Like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. We're 3 away from 80. I know it's not a big number, but to me that's pretty cool. Just saying. 3 more people and we're at 80. 13 more people and we're at 100. So, come on, guys. If you know anybody that might like this kind of stuff, share it with them. Get them to subscribe, all that. And, yeah, because like I said, I want to do some giveaways and stuff here. I got some leftover billet parts and stuff from my CT billet that I'd love to give them to you guys. So, yeah. Anyways, love you guys. Take care of yourselves, and God bless.